Hey teachers, thanks for watching mechtech. In today's video, I'll show you how you can take online exam using Google Form or Google Classroom. In this video, I'll show you the full process of using Google Form to create a questions and send it to your students. So watch this video till the end and comment below if you face any kind of problem. So without further ado, let's get started. At first, you have to open your browser and then search for Google Forms. Okay, here is the Google Forms link. You have to click that link. After that, you have to select go to Google Forms. Okay, now you have to choose your email account to create the questions. I am selecting this one. Now you have to click this plus icon. After that, you will see this kind of interface. Here I am doing some settings. Just follow my settings to create the questions. Here I will accept only one response from students, so I am selecting limit to one response, and here you have to select edit after submit so that a student can edit their submission if they do anything wrong. So I am selecting edit after submit. Now you have to go to this tab, that means presentation. You have to leave this unchecked and you can write a message so that they can get a confirmation message from you after they have submitting their answer script. I'm writing that I have got your answer script. You can edit this sentence and write as your choice. So now you have to click quizzes and you have to check this, make this a quiz, and you have to click, that means release grade. We don't want to release grade after submission, so I am selecting later after manual review, and you have to uncheck all of these. Okay, the settings has been done, so I am saving these tab. Now I have to give the name of the form. I am writing it as midterm exam. Okay, now I have to give some description of this form. I will add this description to my video description, so you can collect these instructions from there. Okay, now I don't want to collect the email address, so I am changing it, unchecking collect email addresses, and then click save. Now you have to upload a questions. Generally we make the questions in PDF format, so we have to convert the questions in JPG format, that means image format, to upload in Google Form. It's really easy task to do. You just have to go to Google and search for PDF to JPG. You have to search for PDF to JPG, then you have to choose PDF to JPG.net. You can also take the screenshot of that PDF. After opening the PDF, you have to click snipping tool and then take the screenshot and save it to JPG format. I am using the online tool to convert the PDF file to JPG file. Okay, now you have to select convert PDF to JPG. It is done. Now click here, that means download. Yeah, the question has been downloaded successfully to JPG format. I am opening that. Here you can see the PDF file has been converted to JPG. Now I have to upload these questions to Google Form. It's really easy task to do. Now you have to go to this section and you have to select this icon, that means Here you can see JPG file, that means image file. Click that icon and here you have to upload the questions. I am selecting the questions. Yep, you can see the questions has been uploaded successfully. You can also align the questions from here. You can also do some editings like this. You have to give a name of that questions. I am giving the name of the questions is question of fluid mechanics 2. Okay, now the most important part is you have to select file upload options from this icon. Yep, then you have to click continue. Here you can see the question has been uploaded successfully. Now you have to do some settings to accept the answer script. You have to select allow only specific file types. I will accept only PDF file, image file or document file. Okay, maximum number of files will be 10. That will be fine. Maximum file size will take 100 MB, and this form can accept up to 1 GB of files. Let's change it to 10 GB. Okay, and select required option from this icon. You can also set the marks of your questions. The full marks of my questions is 30, so I am selecting 30. It's not mandatory. You have to click done after doing this. Yep, you have successfully uploaded all the questions and the settings have been done also. Now you have to select another section, create another section, and in this section we will collect the information of the students. Okay, so we are giving the name student information. Okay, here you have to give a description. I am giving please provide your information correctly. Now you have to create a questions like student name. We'll take student's name. Then you have to select this icon, that means required. Then we will collect student ID. Okay, you have to mark this, that means required, and we also collect student batch and section. You can make it like a multiple choice questions, like I am taking this course to 2 sections, so I am giving the options as 2B and 2C. Okay, if you want to make this Google form for individual sections, you can also do that. In that time you will have to give only one options, that means 2B or 2C. I am taking the classes of 2 sections, so I am giving the options 2B or 2C. Students will select 2B if he is from 2B sections, or 2C if he is from 2C sections. Okay, then you have to select required. You can also collect the email address of your students so that you can contact if you need anything from them. Okay, required. So I have done all the settings and all the questions have been uploaded successfully. Now let's check whether it's okay or not. You can see the name of the form is midterm exam. Here are the instructions, and here is the questions. Students can see the questions easily, and there is an option to upload their file. Okay, here you can see there is an option responses. So what is it? After the exact time period you will have to click this icon, that means accepting responses. Then it will turn it to red. and the students cannot submit their answer script if you turn this off. So after the time period you have to click this icon, and the students cannot submit their answer script anymore. If you want them to submit their answer scripts, you have to click this to turn it on. That means we are giving 10 minutes to our students to submit their answer scripts. After 10 minutes we will click this icon and they will not able to submit their answer script anymore. Okay, now check whether everything is okay or not. You have to suppose I am a student, I will get my questions paper like this way. Here is the questions. After answering my questions, I will make a PDF file of my answer script, and then I will just click add file to upload my answer script. Okay, suppose my answer script is here, like here, final exam. Okay, this is my answer script. I am uploading this, and then as I am a student, I have to click upload. After uploading my answer script, I have to click next. Now I have to put my student information. Suppose my name is myself. Okay, my student ID is 123456. My section is 2B, and my email address is suppose this one. Okay, now if I click submit, my teachers will get my answer script. That means, yep, you can see my teacher is saying that I have got your answer script. Okay, now check as a teacher. Here you can see I have got one response. The response is from myself. Student ID is 123456. I can also download the responses as a .csv file, or I can see these as a spreadsheet. If I click this one, you can see, let's create a spreadsheet of my the responses of my students. Here you can see there is a time step when he submitted the answer. There is a option score. There is option there. You can see a link. This is the link of the answer script of my students. So if I click this link, I can easily see the answer script of my student. So this is a very useful and easy process. Student name, I can see my student name, student ID, batch and section, and email address in just one page. So it's really easy to take online exam by this way. So now, how I can send the form link to my student? To do so, you have to click send. Here you can see there is an icon. You have to select this icon. You have to click shorten URL, and then here is the link of the form. Just copy the link and go to your email address, then click compose, then make a group of your students. That means I have to send group email. If you haven't know how to make group email and send to a large number of students, just go to my video description, and I have added a link of how you can create group email and send a large number of people. Okay, here is the student's email address. I am sending group emails to a lots of students. I have to give the subject as midterm exam, and then I have to paste the link here. Then if I send this link to students, then they will get the link of the form, and they can see the questions papers, and they can submit their answer scripts through this link. So that was the tutorial. Hope this is a very easy and useful process to take online exams, and if you face any kind of problem, just comment below and I will try to solve the problem. So thank you all for watching my video tutorial.